There is an extremely bearish Elliott wave count that has shown itself on the charts, guys. I need to bring this to your attention. You need to be aware of this because this means serious downside for Bitcoin if this is the count, and it is what I am leaning towards. We're going to cover that today in this video. We're also going to go over some smaller time frame stuff. So I'm going to show you some trades you can get into. Guys, this is Chart Junkies. Let's get right into this. I'm not going to waste your time. All right. If you watched my previous videos, you know that I was calling for this down move right here that we experienced. I was calling for this. I was calling for a more impulsive wave down. I wanted to come and take out this liquidity around 54K. And then we were looking for more upside to the all-time highs. This is still a valid count. It can still play. But the way this wave has progressed to the downside, how we received this choppy action, we didn't get a clear, impulsive swish to the downside. It is leading to me to believe otherwise, guys, and we're going to go over that right now. You need to know this. We're going to go over what this count is and what it entails. Now, before we do that, I need to let you guys know, if you're going to join the premium Discord for the daily alerts, 24/7 live charts, the Elliott wave course, indicators, all that stuff, now is your time to do it. I'm running a 4th of July sale. You're getting $25 off the first month. Give it a try. Join the free Discord in the description below. Go to upgrade here. Check it out. I'll see you in there, guys. Also, important links down in the description. Blowfin is now the best no KYC, no VPN exchange. It is what I am using, and I hooked you guys up for a limited time, 15% cash back on your deposits, guys. Use the link or code Chart Junkies. You're getting 15% cash back on your deposits. 15% gain on your account is crazy. You can get a 15% gain on your account right now if you deposit with Blowfin. They have amazing liquidity, so many coins to trade, super smooth platform to use. Check them out, guys. No KYC, no VPN, because that's how we roll. Let's get into this. Clearing everything off. What is this bearish count? Now, from the top here, with this choppy price action that we experienced and then this final dump and sweep, what it looks like to me, wait for it. Wait for it. It looks like a leading diagonal where you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there is, as we all know, in a leading diagonal, it's 5 waves. It's an impulsive wave, but it shows itself in the form of a bunch of corrections. See? A bunch of corrections, and then for the final wave, we had an overthrow of our channel, wedge, whatever you want to call it. It looks perfect. We came up, we tested this, we broke through it. Now, this would be our one wave. Stay with me. If you're new to Elliott wave, watch enough of these videos, watch this, you will get it down. It's the best way to trade, I promise you. I'm doing this so many years now. I've tried everything. Elliott wave is the only option for me. We have our leading diagonal. Right now, it looks like an ABC that is finished to the upside for our 2 wave. I have second thoughts on that, but for right now, we have hit the 382 retracement of this entire first leg down. This would be our 1 wave. This would be our 2 wave. Now, something to note, before we think, oh, this is going to just dump to the downside for our 3 wave, I really can see this coming down like that and then hitting us with a WXY correction where we have a double correction. So it's a WXY. We come to maybe the 618. Take all the rest of this liquidity up here, and then we dump. If this is what it looks like, you're looking at middle of July before the big dump. Now, either way, in each scenario, whether we dump from here or whether we dump from here, and we're going to examine this wave closer up, so stick with me. Or if this is not a leading diagonal and we are just kind of impulsing in a weird way to the downside, all of these scenarios are coming to this level of liquidity, right here, fill all this, 54K, 52K. If we look at RSI, there is on the hourly, the 4 hour, I mean, there's hidden bearish divergence on the chart here. Let's get rid of everything. Hidden bearish divergence on the chart. As you can see right here, we got a higher high on RSI, lower high in price, an extreme higher high on momentum, lower high in price. So there's hidden bearish divergence on the chart. If we look on the daily now, there's hidden bullish divergence on the chart. But the issue is, if we look at momentum on like the 10 hour, this momentum wave is so thick that usually when you see a thick wave, you see at least a wave that comes down and retests down like that before you get any type of continuation to the upside. So, you know, if this is going to WXY up like we were saying, I would assume for it to do something like this, where this comes down, then we get a correction to the upside like that. We put in some more divergence right here, and then we come down. It would give RSI a little more time to reset. Get a full reset of RSI, where RSI is capped out here, price is up here, capped out here, price is down here. It gives us the strength for a big push to the downside. All right, now what are our price targets for this move? Well, number one, the implications are, you know, that this is a 1, 2, and that we put in a 1, 2 of a wave 3 here, and this would be our monster wave to the downside. And I'm not even drawing that even close to how hard of a push this would be. You're looking, and I'll just pull some fibs just to mess around real quick. You're looking at least something like that, at least. And I think it's going farther than that if that's the case. You know, unfortunately, if we get down to like the 45K level, if we start dipping into here, yeah, I mean you're going. So if this is a leading diagonal, and we're gonna go small time frame here and check this out, guys, so stick with me just a few minutes longer. If this is a leading diagonal and we are either finished with or making a WXY to come up a little higher, maybe up in here, that is the move, big time to the downside. Now what do we have closer up? What do we have? I have an impulse wave here with a correction. In the premium Discord, we called the long from right here, took that up. We called this correction, we called the long from right here, the scalp long, took that up. And yeah, I thought we were gonna hit one more high here, but it's just pushing down. Right now, where it stands, I'm gonna say we're gonna do something like that, maybe come down big time here, take out this level, and then I'd be looking to long into our WXY. So I think more immediate downside is to come here. I think we're due for a nice little correction, maybe come back up to 63K, 63.2, and then we'd be looking to short this down to our fib targets here. It's amazing how the fibs just play out. It's crazy how I've been doing Elliott Wave so long I could draw these waves exactly to the fib targets. There we go. That's the look that we're looking for, and then I'd be looking for another correction up. WXYs are tricky because this could be finished ABC. It could be done, and we could be just pumping to the downside. I would want to be short here. Definitely take some profits here. Maybe open up a hedge long, but keep half of my short position open in case this does want to just keep dumping on you. That's how I would play it. But anyways, guys, join the Discord, join the premium Discord, and you'll be up to date with exactly what the hell we're doing. I'll see you guys in there. 4th of July sale. Join Blowfin, the best no KYC, no VPN exchange, 15% cash back on your deposits, a free 15% back. Do it, stupid. Don't be dumb. Come on. Thanks for watching the video. I love y'all. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.